Let's see what's broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Super.
Uh-oh.
To fix it, we need to take apart the wrecking ball. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be fixed. We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust
What?
and dirt. Awesome! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Super! Magnificent! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super! Perfect! Yeah! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. I knew you could do it. Something is dripping here. Let's open the cover plate. Turn the valve to open it. Perfect.
Oh no!
All the junk with wires. You're so smart. Perfect. Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe.
Wow!
This is where welding comes in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Keep going. Magnificent. Put a patch on it. You're so smart. That's it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super. Magnificent. The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem!
Wow!
All done! Wow! Now help to assemble Wrecking Ball!
Wow!
Go to the construction site. Keep going. Let's go. Congratulations!